In the first video of this course, we will look at some of the common spreadsheet applications. Spreadsheets are like digital tables that help organize information. We are going to discuss their capabilities and analyze that why they are useful for people who work with data and want to become a data analyst. Spreadsheets are handy because they do a lot of things. They help with stuff like keeping data organized, doing calculations automatically, and making it easy to create charts and graphs. Numerous options for spreadsheet applications are available, ranging from advanced features to basic, cloud-based to desktop, and both paid and free versions. It's your decision to choose the one that aligns best with your needs and budget. There are a bunch of spreadsheet programs out there. The most famous one is Microsoft Excel, which many people use. It comes in two versions. One you pay for, which comes as a part of Microsoft Office Suite and Microsoft 365 subscriptions, and a free one called Excel for the web or Excel Online. Some of the advanced features are missing in Excel Online, which are only available in desktop version. Another popular one is Google Sheets, which is free and works online with a Google account. The Google Sheets is a web-based application and it works with Google Analytics, Google Data Studio, and Google Forms. Beside these, there is also a free program called LibreOffice Calc, which is an open source desktop spreadsheet application with a lot of tools such as charts, pivot tables, and conditional formatting for data analysis, but it offers basic functionality as compared to Excel and Google Sheets. Additional spreadsheet applications encompass Sohusheet, a robust web-based tool similar to Google Sheets, OpenOffice Calc, Quip for Salesforce, Smartsheet, primarily designed for project management, and Apple Numbers, included with Mac computers and accessible on the App Store for other Apple devices. Since the emergence of spreadsheet software in the 1970s, such as VisiCalc on the Apple II PC, spreadsheets have evolved significantly. They have progressed from simple tables and basic computations to robust tools used by businesses for the analysis, management, and visualization of extensive data sets. Spreadsheets offer several advantages over manual calculation methods. Once your formulas are accurately composed, you can be confident in the accuracy of your calculations as they are performed automatically. Spreadsheets assist in maintaining organized and easily accessible data, allowing for flexible formatting, filtering, and sorting based on your requirements. In case of errors in data entry or calculations, easy editing, undoing, and error checking tools are available to rectify mistakes. Additionally, you can analyze data in spreadsheets, creating charts, graphs, and reports to visualize your data analysis effectively. Common business uses for spreadsheet applications include identifying trends, charting, comparing large data sets, data entry and storage, creating flowcharts for business processes, statistical analysis, modeling and planning, tracking business sales, profit and loss accounting, financial forecasting, budgeting, payroll and tax reporting, forensic auditing, scheduling, and invoicing. Beyond business applications, spreadsheets find typical use in personal expenses, such as creating libraries for recipes, household budgeting, counting calories and weight monitoring, fitness tracking, shopping list, managing contact list, and cataloging music libraries. As a data analyst, you can use spreadsheets for various tasks, including collecting and consolidating data from different sources, cleaning data to enhance quality, remove duplicates and errors, analyzing data through filtering and sorting, and visualizing data to convey findings to key business stakeholders through storytelling and other interested parties within your organization. In the introductory video, we covered common spreadsheet applications, explored the main capabilities of spreadsheets, and discussed why they can be valuable tools for data analysts. The next video will delve into the basics of spreadsheets, covering common terminology.